Attention, fellow laundromat or laundry shop owners. Have you heard the recent report? The daily laundromat or laundry shop earning is around $450 to $500, or around 23,600 pesos to 26,200 pesos. This includes revenue from the washers, dryers, and other secondary income streams such as the vending machines, and the daily income from the self-service laundry is roughly around $100 to $1,500 or 5,300 pesos to 78,600 pesos. But did you ever wonder how to keep this revenue continuously without you worrying from an unexpected laundry machine breakdown? Or did you even think about how to sustain your customers from regularly coming back and keep them loyal to your laundromat or laundry shop business, which is a great factor that generates consistent daily revenue? Reach out to us. We are here to help you. Click on the button below so we could help you.